मुझे अब और नहीं चाहिए। I don't want any more. I don't want any more. क्या तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? वो अभी घर पर है। He is at home now. He is at home now. मैं उससे कल मिला था। I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. उसे अभी जाना ही होगा। She must leave now. She must leave now. क्या आप चाय पिएंगे क्या? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? तुम्हारी किताबें टेबल पर है। Your books are on the table. Your books are on the table. मेरी घड़ी कहीं खो गई। My watch has been lost. My watch has been lost. क्या वो खेल खेलेगा क्या? Will he play the game? Will he play the game? उसने मेरा फोन नहीं उठाया। He did not answer my call. He did not answer my call. मैंने उसे पार्क में देखा। I saw her in the park. I saw her in the park. क्या आपको मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? उसकी कार नीले रंग की है। His car is blue in color. His car is blue in color. मैं आपको समझ नहीं पा रहा। I am not understanding you. I am not understanding you. वो अब घर पर नहीं आएगा। He will not come home now. He will not come home now. क्या तुमने उसे बताया था? Had you told him? Had you told him? वो हमेशा समय पर आता है। He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. उसकी आंखें बहुत सुंदर हैं। Her eyes are very beautiful. Her eyes are very beautiful. मुझे वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं। I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. मैं आपके बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. वो किताब मुझे पसंद है। I really like that book. I really like that book. मैं जल्दी में हूं अभी। I am in a hurry now. I am in a hurry now. क्या तुमने डिनर कर लिया? Have you had dinner? Have you had dinner? उसके पास बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं। He has many friends. He has many friends. मुझे ये गाना बहुत पसंद है। I really like this song. I really like this song. क्या आप मुझे समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? उसने कल रात पार्टी दी थी। She hosted a party last night. She hosted a party last night. मैं अब और इंतज़ार नहीं करूँगा. I will not wait any longer. I will not wait any longer. क्या आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई? Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said? उसे मेरी मदद की बहुत ज़रूरत है. He really needs my help. He really needs my help. क्या तुमने नई फिल्म देखी? Did you see the new movie? Did you see the new movie? उसे खेलना बहुत पसंद है. He loves to play. He loves to play. वो अपनी कार से आया था. He came in his car. He came in his car. मैं उसे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget him. I will never forget him. मुझे उसकी बहुत याद आती है. I miss him a lot. I miss him a lot. उसकी बातें मुझे अच्छी लगी. I liked what she said. I liked what she said. क्या तुम उससे मिले थे? Had you met him? Had you met him? उसने मुझे अपना नंबर दिया. He gave me his number. He gave me his number. क्या आप मुझसे खुश हैं? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? मुझे उसकी बात समझ नहीं आई. I did not understand his point. I did not understand his point. वो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहता. He always stays with me. He always stays with me. क्या आपने किताब खरीदी है? Have you bought the book? Have you bought the book? मैं आज देर से आऊँगा. I will come later today. I will come later today. उसने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. He taught me a lot. He taught me a lot. तुम्हारी नई कार बहुत अच्छी है. Your new car is great. Your new car is great. मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए समय है. I have time for you. I have time for you. वो कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता. He never tells a lie. He never tells a lie. उसकी मुस्कान मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I really like her smile. I really like her smile. क्या तुम्हारा होमवर्क पूरा हुआ? Is your homework completed? Is your homework completed? आपने जो कहा वो सही. What you said is correct. What you said is correct. मुझे उसके साथ जाना है. I need to go with him. I need to go with him. उसने मुझसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला. She never lied to me. She never lied to me. उसकी नई नौकरी बहुत अच्छी है. His new job is very good. His new job is very good. मैंने आपकी बात समझ ली. I understood what you said. I understood what you said. वो अभी भी यहाँ है क्या? Is he still here? Is he still here? मेरी माँ अच्छा खाना बनाती है. My mother cooks food well. My mother cooks food well. उसका जन्मदिन कब है पता है? Do you know his birthday? Do you know his birthday? मैं उसके बिना नहीं रह सकता. I can't live without her. I can't live without her. आपने जो किया वो गलत था. What you did was wrong. What you did was wrong. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? उसने मुझे कभी समझा नहीं. He never understood me. He never understood me. वो किताब मैंने दी थी. I had given him that book. I had given him that book. मैं आज उससे मिलने जा रहा हूं. I am going to meet him today. I am going to meet him today. उसने मुझे फोन करने को कहा. She asked me to call. She asked me to call. आपकी नई घड़ी बहुत सुंदर है. Your new watch is very beautiful. Your new watch is very beautiful. उसे मेरी मदद की जरूरत नहीं. He doesn't need my help. He doesn't need my help. वो कल मेरे घर आया था. He came to my house yesterday. He came to my house yesterday. मैं उसकी बातों से सहमत नहीं. I don't agree with him. I don't agree with him. वो शायद आज देर से आएगी. She might come late today. She might come late today. आपको मेरी नई पेंटिंग कैसी लगी? How did you like my painting? How did you like my painting? मैंने उसे पिछले हफ्ते देखा था. I saw him last week. I saw him last week. क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? उसने मेरे साथ अच्छा व्यवहार किया. He treated me well. He treated me well. मुझे आज शाम को जाना होगा. I have to go this evening. I have to go this evening. तुम्हारी नई नौकरी कैसी चल रही है? How is your new job going? How is your new job going? मुझे उसके साथ कुछ काम है. I have some work with him. I have some work with him. उसकी नई कार बहुत तेज है. His new car is very fast. His new car is very fast. मैंने उसे किताब से पढ़ा था. I read about it in the book. I read about it in the book. क्या आपके पास ये पुस्तक है? Do you have this book? Do you have this book? मैं उससे कल शाम को मिलूंगा. I will meet him tomorrow evening. I will meet him tomorrow evening. उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया। He answered my question. He answered my question. आपको मेरे साथ बाजार आना चाहिए। You should come to the market with me. You should come to the market with me. वो कभी मुझसे बात नहीं करता। He never talks to me. He never talks to me. क्या तुम मेरी किताबें वापस करोगे? Will you return my books? Will you return my books? उसने उस दिन बहुत काम किया। She worked a lot that day. She worked a lot that day. उसकी बातों में कोई सच्चाई नहीं है। There is no truth in his words. There is no truth in his words. उसे अभी भी मेरी याद आती है। She still remembers me. She still remembers me. मैं उसे आज भी प्यार करता हूँ। I still love her today. I still love her today. मैंने उसे वहां पर देखा था। I had seen him. I had seen him there. मैं उसे अपना फोन नंबर दूंगा। I will give him my phone number. I will give him my phone number. क्या तुमने मेरे लिए ये खरीदा? Did you buy this for me? Did you buy this for me? उसने कहा वो मुझसे मिलेगा। He said he would meet me. He said he would meet me. क्या आप उस फिल्म को देखेंगे? Will you watch that movie? Will you watch that movie? उसने मुझे बहुत खुशी दी। She has given me a lot of happiness. She has given me a lot of happiness. मैंने उससे कहा कि वो रुके। I told him to stop. I told him to stop. क्या आपने कभी भारत देखा है? Have you ever seen India? Have you ever seen India? वो अक्सर देर से घर आता। He often comes home late. He often comes home late. उसके पास बहुत अच्छी बाइक है। He has a very nice bike. He has a very nice bike. मुझे उसके जाने का दुख है। I am sad that he left. I am sad that he left. मैं उसके साथ फिल्म देखने गया। I went to see a movie with her. I went to see a movie with her. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you go with me? Will you go with me? उसने मेरे लिए एक उपहार खरीदा। He bought a gift for me. He bought a gift for me.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।